Hey guys, how you doing? So we talk a lot about portfolio loans and being able to come up with a way to do financing for unique scenarios. But what if it's just a one-off, small, simple fix? What then? Let's take a look at what Ted Lyons has for us today.
Thanks, Adam. As Adam just described, we've got other videos that you can check out regarding when things are really off, when we're way outside the box. And you hear us talk a lot about the box, inside the box and outside the box lending, and we figured today we do just a little bit of a visualization trying to drive home that point. Here we have our underwriting guidelines box. The reason why we use this to visualize is because whether we're talking about Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, USDA, whatever type of loan program we usually use, it's got a box that we call the underwriting guidelines. And everything has to fit into that box. We've got income, and assets, property, and credit scores. And all of these items have to fit into this box in order for it to be a loan to be able to be sold to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or insured by one of the other agencies. So the challenge becomes, we've got everything else that fits nicely and neatly in our underwriting guidelines box. And this loan's going to be great. And the problem is we run into an income problem or something else that just doesn't fit. And no matter what we do, no matter how we try and jam this into the box, it's not going to work. And so with regular mortgage programs, when you've got that situation, you've got a mortgage that can't be done because it doesn't fit within the guidelines. That's a visualization of how we talk about inside the box and outside the box and why portfolio loans can work. We've talked today about just miss loans, when everything else really seems to work, but there's just one piece of the puzzle that is not going to fit inside that box. So if you're working and trying to get a house and working with a lender that is somehow making the process slowing, or if they're chasing their tail, or if the bank of the universe keeps telling you we're working on it, we're working on it, we're working on it, odds are you've got a piece of the puzzle that just won't fit in that box. That's where portfolio lending can make the difference. Give us a call. We're happy to help at any time.